Hello everyone, this is Karen with Grace B Creations. How is everybody doing? Well, this evening I am doing a video on a glassine swap that I did with Elizabeth Perez. In my group, we do swaps. We have events where we do swaps twice a month. And this swap was called a Glassine Bag Swap. And I got Elizabeth Perez. And her and I have done swaps before. And I was so excited when I saw that I got her. Because in the past I've done a swap with her and she's just amazing. One of the things that I love the most about Elizabeth Perez is that she's so detailed in her work. Like every little detail is so beautiful and her work is amazing. I'm gonna put her channel below if you want to go check her out. Her YouTube channel, she's amazing. She's very vintage and shabby and she's everything. She does everything. And so I will link her her YouTube below so you can go see her, give her a shout out, give her some love. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this. And she also did a video opening my glassine bags that I gave her. So a lot of fun. All right, so I'm going to start and I'm going to open up this first thing. And I have peeked, I'm not going to lie. I saw a few little things, but nothing big. I did see a little bit of this and then I wrapped everything up. So I'm going to go ahead and open. And this is a photo frame. Oh my goodness. This is going to fit my room so beautifully. Oh my goodness. See what I mean? Look at the detail. Look at this, guys. I love birds. I'm telling you, I am so in love with birds. It's not even funny. Like, I wish I could draw them and do watercolors with them. Oh, I see she's put some of Esme's laces on here too. She's also a DT for Crafting Me Shop. So her and I are both DTs on there. I love the feeling of this bird photo. It almost feels like felt. Almost like a velvet. I want to ask her if she printed that up on something, because that's beautiful. Look at the lace detail. She put this on a photo frame. No, actually, I think she made this. Does that say? Is that her name? I don't have by Elizabeth, yeah. Handmade by Elizabeth. Yep, she made this. So she made this frame. Oh my goodness, Elizabeth, this is amazing. I love that. What a creative idea. That is so creative. Put that down here. I'm going to hang that right up in my shabby room, my shabby craft room. Thank you so much. She didn't even have to add that. That wasn't a glassine bag and she put that extra in there. How sweet is that? She's such a sweetheart. I just love her. I love chatting with her too. Look at her glassine bags. Now this is a glassine bag gone wild. This is like decked out. Look at the detail on this. No, you can't get up here, Mimus. No, I'm doing a video. She's trying to get up on my desk. Mimus, no. No, you gotta get down. Look at the details of this. It's beautiful. Look at the, oh my goodness, there's so much to look at. Hold on one second, guys. My cat is trying to get up here and I don't want to just push her away. Let me push it on pause really quick. Oh, I feel so bad. I had to get her down. She wanted to get up on my desk and spend time with me, but with all this stuff up here, I didn't want her getting into it. I feel so horrible. I feel like a bad mommy. I'll go snuggle her after. Okay, where was I? Look at the detail of this here. Oh my goodness, do I even have this? I don't even think I have this trim. And the flowers, I love that. Like I said, she puts detail into her work. This is one of the things I saw on the top, and I went nuts because I love little trinkets like this. I love when I do a swap with someone and I get a bag like this. I love little tiny trinkets. Oh, I cannot wait to see what's in here. I'm going to go ahead and empty it because I cannot wait any longer. Oh, wow. This thing is chock full. Look at, hold on. Let's see here. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, wow, how perfect are these? I have that teacup. I have that teacup push cushion, pin cushion that Laura Mitchell made me. I can stick those in the push kit. Oh my gosh, try saying that 10 times. Pin cushion. I can't even say it. These are beautiful. Oh, there's another one. Oh my goodness. I gotta learn how to make those. I have all kinds of beads. Oh, I love these small little flowers. Did you get these from Esme or did you make them, Elizabeth? Oh my goodness, I love those. Oh, here's another pin. 4 pins. Where'd you get these from? Well, those are unique. Look at that. They're like... Then there's another one. There's a... I forget what those are called. Butterfly. A wheel. Or a dahlia, whatever it's called. Butterfly. A leaf. Look at all the little gems. Look at this little butterfly button. A rose. Then you got charms. Another rose. Ooh, I love this one. This is vintage looking. Oh, these are going to be so fun to use. Look at these little roses. Oh my goodness. Look at the little butterfly. An old-fashioned button. Oh, I love everything in this bag. I love these little flowers too. I want to put these in my journal. Thank you. Thank you for this little bag and stuff. That's so cute. I love these little bags. I mean, look at all of them I've got from people. Right? I love them. All right. What else is in here? Ooh, what is this? How did she stuff this in here? Oh, it's a frame to put on the front of a book. That's cool. That would be really pretty to put a vintage photo in that. I love the color too. I do not have this. I do not have that. That's pretty. I love eyelet lace. Wow, she gave me a lot of it. I know where I'm using that. This is gorgeous. Wow. This is beautiful. And the blue is to match. Look at that. Wow. I love this. I have something similar, but it's not it's not thin like this. This is unique. It's hard to explain, but it's like, that is so pretty. I'm gonna love. I think I'm gonna add this to my recent junk journal, the flip flop journal I'm doing. I think I'm gonna add that. And then the blue is exactly the same. It has like the satin on the back. I love that. Okay. Oh wow. This is like a. Is this an elastic? No, it's ribbon. This is ribbon. Look at the little tassels. Oh my goodness, all these colors that she gave me is perfect for my journal that I'm working on right now. I can't believe this bag is beautiful. Look at the trim. And the photo she chose is perfect. Ooh, some seals. Ooh, she added some of those white flowers. There's white as well. The ones that she just gave me in the bag. The little crochet flowers. I love using these. I love seeing all the different decorations you can get. The 3D ones are really pretty too. Oh, here's another white flower. Ooh, I have 2 whites and 2 pinks. There we go. I'm going to add that into my little tray over there so I can add them into my journal. Oops, this one looks 3D. That one looks like a little girl. I'm going to put these in. I have a jar over there of little seals. This is perfect. I love this 3D one. I haven't gotten good at making these. So this is perfect that you gave me some. I'm not good at making them. Always got to have a butterfly. All right, that was the first bag. This would be pretty as like a topper. Like this would look gorgeous on the top of a tag or a bag. Look at all the flowers in this one. Look at that. Look at these really pretty flowers. They remind me a little of the Campo flowers that I use. Those are pretty. These will look really pretty in the journal I'm working with now. They are the same color. Well, Elizabeth, you have given me definitely some embellishments for my book. Ooh. Now, I have something similar to this, but it's different, and I do not have this. I don't have the one that has the polka dots in the center. I wanted this. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you so much. I love this. I was gonna get this and I did not get it. I don't think I had I think I had spent all my spending money and I couldn't get it. Ooh. How did you ever give me something that I don't? I have a million appliques and I do not have this one. This is awesome. I'm telling you, the appliques that Esme has. Look at the doilies that are like crocheted. Look at the little doilies. Aren't those cute? Look at these. Look at the leaves. That is so cute. Ooh, more. Ooh. I don't know where to begin. Ooh, right here. I don't have that. Look at that. It's like a nice little fuzzies on the end of it. Another one I don't have. Nice. Add it to my collection of them. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, this one has ribbon going in between it. Did you add the ribbon to this, or did it come that way? Look at that. I love this. Oh my goodness. Oh, it goes this way. Oh, I had it backwards. Oh, hold on. Did I put that the right way? Yep. Look at that. I love that. I don't have this either. Look at this trim. You know what you could do? You could take these little things, you can put them along the book, and you can add little pearls in the center. Wait a minute. I was going to say, is that what she did here? No, these are different. Look at the pearls on top. Look at this glassine. Oh my gosh. This came out so good. She's so creative. Look at the little butterfly. Look at the three girls. A cup of tea warms the soul. I love these bags. We have a little trim. And a big trim. These are great for wrapping like things around them. It goes all the way around. I love that. I don't have this one either. Look at the flowers on top. I love this one. A butterfly. Ooh, another one of those flowers. Pink butterfly. Gotta love the trim. This color is unique. It's blue and green. Oh, is that another one? Oh, that was the same one as that. Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. You put so much thought into this. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciated this swap. I'm so glad that I got you as a partner. So definitely, guys, if you want to head over to my group, Grace B Creations Facebook group, we do swaps throughout the month. We have a really good time, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on getting something as beautiful as this. So I just want to take a moment to thank Elizabeth so much for doing a swap with me, and I will leave her link to her YouTube channel below. And I hope you guys hit that like button and hit the subscribe if you haven't, and go subscribe to her as well. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.